Yeah, I'm very excited to share the news that I have successfully completed the Webstack Academy internship on Mainstack. And this is the project I am going to submit through the course of this Mainstack internship. First of all, let me show you my internship offer letter. This is the offer letter I have received it from the Webstack Academy on 3rd March 2026. Through the through this internship, I have learned a lot of things. They have provided us the LMS and and I belong to the basics. These are the things I have gone through during this internship. This internship is online. The day one session, they teach us the installation of the front end setup and day two backend setup and day three database modules authentication setup. These are all we build. During this internship, I learned full stack development. I understood how front end and back end work together. I also worked on the real time project, which helped me gain practical knowledge. This internship helped me improve my coding and problem solving skills. The main goals of this internship were to learn React from front-end development, to learn Node.js and Express for back-end development, to work with MongoDB database, and finally to build a complete full-stack application. Full-stack development means working on front-end, back-end, and database. Front-end is the user interface, back-end handles server logic, and database stores the data. I used MERN in this project, MongoDB for database, Express.js for backend, and React.js for frontend, and Node.js as runtime environment. My project is food order system. It allows users to browse restaurants and view food items. The main features are users sign up and login, viewing food items, adding items to cart, and basic user functionalities. This is the architecture of my project. The front end is built using React. It communicates with backend APIs built using Node.js and Express. And the backend interacts with MongoDB database to push the stored data. In backend, I created APIs using Express.js. These APIs handles user authentication and data fetching. I implement features like sign up API, login API, password reset functionality. I tested these APIs using Postman to ensure they are working correctly. In the front end, I used React to build the user interface. I created reusable components like food item cards. I also connected front end with backend APIs using Axios. This helps in fetching real-time data and displaying it on the UI. This is the home page where restaurants are displayed. For backend, we use the MongoDB Plus or MongoDB Compass. In this, these are the databases: cards, food items, menus, orders, restaurants, users. In this, there are two types of users. One is user and admin. Show my project. These are the restaurants available. First of all, we try login as users. The pop-up message is available, login successfully, and these are the restaurants available. When I click on the restaurants, it shows the menu list, Pani Puri, so all these are in this cart. First of all, when I click on the cart is, let me remove first. The cart is empty. When I click add to cart, when I check two items in this cart, and there is a checkout option to process to the payment. The payment option is done using the Stripe account. Let me discuss later. Next, log out. Now, login as admin. Admin has more features than user. Admin can delete, add restaurants. So, when the admin logins, we're showing delete, add restaurants. First of all, delete this localhost message, delete this restaurant. The admin has add the restaurants. See this, create a restaurant name, Barak, your which for image URL section. images. I think this is good. Copy image link and paste it and click create. See, restaurants is created. We have 10 restaurants. Inside the restaurant, we also add the menu. Click add menu. Menu category means non-veg or veg, etc. Non-veg. Create. Inside that, we need to add the items. Click the item. Name of the item. For example, chicken biryani. Rice 200. Description. Basmati rice. Neighbor. Chicken and spices. Stock. Stock means quantity. For example, for image URL, we need to search it. This is good. Paste and see the item is created. Just add menu. It's important. If I want to delete it, then delete. Let me see. Log out as admin and check if the restaurant is present in users as well or not. Log out successfully. Login. If you need to log in, register first. These are the credentials already in the Postman backend notebook. Mubarak is there. No item. For database, we use MongoDB or MongoDB Compass, MongoDB Atlas or Compass. Connect the cluster and serve the cluster. Postman is used to check the backend output. See, these are the tests I have done. admin login or user. Just enter and so this for the slash is list. This and this is the complete folder structure we have created. Put order project, site panel, backend folder, frontend folder, and backend config, controllers, middlewares, models, node modules, props, utilities. This is about the frontend, backend. This is components, card, CSS, layout, orders, user, React.js. This is the and this is the final output of our project. In conclusion, I have successfully built a full stack food order system. This project helped me understand real world development. Thank you.